Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to boost signal on Android phone, step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more useful tips and tricks. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and head to the settings menu. This is where you'll make all the changes needed to improve your signal strength. Step 2. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Apps and tap on it. This will take you to a list of all the apps installed on your device. Step 3. Scroll through the list until you find SIM Toolkit and select it. The SIM Toolkit is an important app that directly interacts with your network. Step 4. Once you're in the SIM Toolkit settings, tap on Storage and Cache. Here you'll see an option to clear cache. Tap on it to clear any temporary data that might be causing issues. Step 5. Now, go back to the main settings menu by pressing the back button or using your navigation gestures. It's time to adjust your network settings. Step 6. In the settings menu, find and tap on Network and Internet, then select Internet to access your current network connections. Step 7. Next, tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner. This will open the detailed settings for your mobile network. Step 8. Scroll down and look for the option called Data Warning and Limit. Tap on it to proceed. Step 9. Under this section, you'll see the option to set a data limit. Tap on it and enter 9 GB as the limit. This step ensures that your phone optimizes its data usage. Step 10. Similarly, set a data warning at 9 GB. This helps your phone stay within optimal data thresholds. Step 11. After setting the data limit and warning, toggle both options off. This will reset the limits but ensures the phone adjusts its network settings properly. Step 12. Now find the option called Preferred Network Type. Select a network type like 4G or LTE for better signal strength and faster connectivity. Step 13. Finally, toggle on Automatically Select Network. Then, choose your network from the available options to ensure you're connected to the strongest signal in your area. And that's it. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your Android phone's signal strength. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.